Welcome back to Camera Lab, where I break down gear that actually delivers in the wild. Today, I'm sharing the top 11 best camera for wildlife photography, focusing on speed, reach, autofocus, and real-world performance. Whether you're chasing birds in flight or distant animals, this list covers every budget and skill level. Before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know about the price and other information. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest top product reviews. Let's jump in. Built from hands-on testing and honest experience, today, together, Canon EOS R8 Mirrorless. For the wildlife photographer wanting a full-frame sensor in a lightweight body, the Canon EOS R8 is a game-changer. Its 40 frames per second burst speed is phenomenal for capturing the peak of action, like an eagle snatching a fish. The superb dual-pixel autofocus locks onto and tracks animal eyes with impressive reliability, even in moderate cover. While the battery life isn't class-leading and it lacks in-body stabilization, its performance for the price is staggering. Paired with a sharp RF telephoto lens, it delivers professional-grade image quality that makes every detail pop, from feather textures to whiskers, without weighing down your kit bag. Nikon P950 Super Zoom Camera. If your priority is getting incredibly close without a huge investment in lenses, the Nikon P950 is your ultimate all-in-one tool. Its staggering 2,000mm equivalent optical zoom brings distant subjects right into your frame, perfect for skittish animals or nest observation. The 4K video capability and built-in vibration reduction make it fantastic for handheld shooting. While its smaller sensor means it struggles in very low light compared to DSLRs or mirrorless cameras, in good daylight the results are brilliantly detailed. It's the ideal travel companion for birders and safari goers who value reach and versatility above all else. Nikon Z8 Pro Mirrorless. Essentially a Z9 in a slightly smaller body, the Nikon Z8 is a wildlife photography powerhouse. Its stacked sensor allows for blindingly fast 120 FPS bursts and a shutter that never blacks out, so you never miss the action. The autofocus system is exceptionally intelligent, identifying and tracking a vast array of subjects, from birds to mammals, with scary accuracy. Its robust build withstands the elements, and the high-resolution 45.7 megapixel sensor lets you crop aggressively while retaining stunning detail. For the serious wildlife shooter demanding top-tier performance, the Z8 is an almost perfect tool. Canon EOS 90D DSLR. A champion of the DSLR era, the Canon 90D remains a superb and accessible choice for wildlife. Its 32.5 megapixel aps-c sensor offers great resolution for cropping, and its 10 FPS mechanical shutter speed handles fast movement reliably. The optical viewfinder offers a lag-free, natural viewing experience, and its battery life is exceptional for long days in the field. While its live view autofocus can't match newer mirrorless cameras, its traditional phase detect system through the viewfinder is very capable. Durable and ergonomic, it's a fantastic workhorse for enthusiasts building a portfolio. OM System OM1 Mark II. This Micro Four Thirds marvel excels where size and mobility are key. Its lightweight design and lenses make a huge telephoto reach highly portable. The OM1 Mark II boasts computational photography features like handheld high-resolution shot mode and stellar in-body stabilization. Its weather sealing is among the best, letting you shoot confidently in rain or dust. The autofocus tracks subjects reliably, and its 50 FPS raw burst with pre-capture ensures you get the shot. For wildlife photographers who hike deep into terrain, it offers a powerful, compact system without compromise. Sony A7R5 Mirrorless. The A7R5 is for the wildlife photographer who is also a landscape artist. Its incredible 61-megapixel full-frame sensor captures breathtaking detail, allowing extreme cropping to simulate a longer lens while maintaining file integrity. The latest AI-powered autofocus recognizes animal poses with uncanny precision, locking focus on eyes or bodies even when partly obscured. While its 10 FPS burst is slower than some speed demons, the resolution it delivers at that speed is unmatched. It's the ultimate hybrid tool for creating gallery-worthy, megapixel-rich images of the natural world. Nikon P1000 Ultra Zoom. The Nikon P1000 Ultra Zoom is famous for its jaw-dropping zoom range, and I get why. This camera lets me photograph wildlife that feels impossibly far away. It's ideal for moonshots, birds on cliffs, or animals across wide landscapes. Image stabilization plays a huge role in keeping shots usable at extreme focal lengths. The camera is easy to use with manual controls available when you want more creative freedom. Video capabilities are solid, making it fun for long-distance recording. While it's not compact, it replaces the need for multiple lenses. Image quality is best in good light, but the reach is unmatched. If zoom is your top priority, nothing else quite compares to the P1000. Canon EOS R7 Mirrorless. The Canon EOS R7 Mirrorless is one of my favorite wildlife cameras for speed and reach. Its aps-c sensor gives extra magnification, which is perfect for distant subjects. Autofocus is incredibly fast, locking onto animals and birds with impressive accuracy. High burst rates make action photography feel effortless. The in-body image stabilization helps keep shots sharp even with longer lenses. I appreciate the compact yet rugged design, making it great for outdoor shooting. Video performance is excellent for wildlife content creators. Battery life is decent, and the control layout feels intuitive. If you want a fast, modern mirrorless camera built with wildlife in mind, the EOS R7 is a standout performer. Sony Alpha-1 Mirrorless. The Sony Alpha-1 Mirrorless is a true flagship that does everything exceptionally well. I'm blown away by its combination of speed, resolution, and autofocus accuracy. The stacked sensor delivers blackout-free shooting and incredibly fast burst rates. Autofocus tracking for animals and birds is among the best I've ever used. Image quality is stunning across all lighting conditions. The body feels professional and durable, ready for demanding outdoor work. Video features are equally impressive for hybrid shooters. Despite its advanced specs, it remains responsive and intuitive. This camera is an investment, but it delivers uncompromising performance. If you want the absolute best all-around camera for wildlife photography, the Alpha-1 sits at the top. Sony Alpha 9 III Mirrorless. The Sony Alpha 9 III is the ultimate action specialist, built for photographers who see what others miss. Its groundbreaking global shutter sensor enables an astonishing 120 FPS burst with zero distortion, capturing split-second moments like a wing beat perfectly. It has no blackout, offering a real-time view of the action. While its 24 megapixel resolution is lower than some, it's ideal for publication and fast-paced work. If your primary goal is capturing the decisive moment of wildlife behavior at the absolute highest speed, the A9 III is in a league of its own. Sony RX10 III CyberShot. The Sony RX10 III CyberShot is a versatile, all-in-one solution for wildlife enthusiasts. I really enjoy its high-quality zoom lens that covers a wide range without swapping glass. Image quality is impressive for a bridge camera, delivering sharp results and pleasing colors. Autofocus is quick enough for most wildlife situations, and image stabilization helps at longer focal lengths. The solid build feels premium and durable. Video performance is strong, making it great for wildlife filming. The camera is heavier than it looks, but that adds to its stability. For photographers who want simplicity without sacrificing quality, the RX10 III offers a balanced mix of convenience and performance in a single package. That wraps up my list of the top 11 best camera for wildlife photography, and I hope it helped you narrow down the perfect option for your shooting style. Whether you want extreme zoom, lightning-fast autofocus, or professional-level image quality, there's something here for everyone. Remember, the best camera is the one that fits your needs and gets you excited to shoot. If you found this breakdown helpful, give the video a thumbs up, share it with fellow photographers, and check those links below for more details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Camera Lab review.